I'm still sick, so bear with me. I always recommend Shein. The stuff that I've got from there I've always really liked, but I did notice that when I am getting stuff on there, it's usually during summer, so if things are like a little bit thin, a little bit flimsy, I don't really care because it's summer. It's kind of what you want in clothing sometimes. So today thought I'd be the guinea pig for you guys, see what their jackets, their jumpers, even their like evening wear as well, because I feel like that's what you wear more during this time of year. You know, you got Thanksgiving, you've got Halloween, you've got Christmas, you know, it's a very exciting time. Before we get into the haul, if you're not subscribed or if you don't have my notifications on, make sure you click them down below. That way you won't miss any hauls this week, and you also won't miss any future videos. Yes! I said that all in one go. So I'm going to start off with jackets first, just because I was amazed by their jacket prices. I need to see what the quality's like. This could either be like a real breakthrough for you guys with jackets during the winter, because they are so expensive, obviously they're jackets, and we could be saving some major coin here, people. Jacket numero number 1. Ooh. Okay. Oh my god, stop it right now. Jesus, I'm seeing my jacket right now. Oh my goodness, I'm so a freaking vibe. Oh my god, I love this. I decided to go for the red just because, number one, everyone has the beige one, and if it's not IMG, because so many different brands make these jackets now, everyone has the beige one. I really wanted the red one from the IMG website, but they haven't had my size for a while now. I found this on Shein and this was $26.99. This is honestly so thick, like she is thick. It's warm, like it's actually a warm jacket. I've got lights on and I'm hot in this jacket. This is a vibe. It's warm, it's cozy. I think it looks really nice. The pop of red in my wardrobe through Shein. You're doing amazing, sweetie. Okay, so this is the next jacket, and I'm just, oh my god, there's like fluffy particles everywhere in my room right now. You might be seeing a trend here. I'm really into like the teddy bear kind of coats at the moment. They're just like so warm and cozy. Like I just love them. I am obsessed with this collar. It comes up really high and it's really thick, so I feel like it makes the jacket look a lot more expensive than it is. If the collar wasn't here, I think it would look a little bit cheapish, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, but it still is made really nicely. The only thing is that I don't like this like circle zip. I hate these. I don't know why, but they really piss me off. This isn't anything major. I genuinely just will change the zip. And yes, I will change it because I'm that extra. This one was actually cheaper than the other jacket, which is just insane. This one was £24. And for a jacket, that is just like insane. I think I'm going to keep this one because, number one, it was so inexpensive anyway. Oh, I thought I wasn't recording that whole time. That would be annoying. It's just warm, it's cozy, it's cream, so it goes with pretty much everything. And I love the pop of red. You guys know I love a little red moment in my clothing. What I will say with this one is you have to be very careful with sizing. I usually wear an extra small to a small, but I had to get a large in this. I feel like I haven't given this one as much praise as the other one. I think it's because I wanted the pixie jacket for so long. Honestly, because on the website it looks exactly the same. So I was kind of like, okay, this is a good vibe. Okay, so I'm going to move on to evening wear. Is that what you call it? I don't even know. This could be a magical moment. It really could. Okay. I spoke it into the universe. This freaking dress is everything. Oh my god, yeah. You guys will probably remember the dress I wore to death during the summer. It was literally this exact dress, but in like a silvery gold kind of vibe, which they also had on the website, but I did want to get a different color just because I've worn that color combo to death. I'm pretty sure this was around $18. I'm pretty sure. It does also have adjustable straps that I need to sort out afterwards. I'm actually really happy I got it in the navy because this season, even though it's very like reds and oranges and like really warm tones, I do want to start wearing a little bit more navy, especially in this like silky S material. Love it. It's just cute. Like this is a cute dress. It's cute. This is a good size for me. This is an extra small, so I would say it's true to size. It's tight, but it's also got enough room for me to have dessert, you know, when I go out to eat, so that's a vibe. And I'll probably wear this with my platform like shoe sneaker things from Zara, and it'll just be great. It'll be a great evening. I'll have a lot of fun. I have nowhere to go, no one's invited me anywhere, but it'll be great fun. Moving on to dress number 2. So this isn't actually on the website anymore, and I think it's for good reason because this is just so ugly. Like it's just It's so ugly. Like, there's no other word to describe it other than ugly. I will give them props for the buttons because the buttons are cute. They're like a tortoiseshell, very on trend. We love that. The material is really thin and gross and cheap. Like, you can tell it's very cheaply made. And the overall fit is just off. Like, the skirt is very, very long. This is meant to be at your waist, I would say. And I just look not good. I don't know how much this was because, like I said, it's not on the website anymore. So it's not showing the price, but you don't need to know the price. You don't need this dress. It's not a nice dress, okay? Okay, so evening outfit number 2. This, I'm gonna be honest, when I first tried it on, I wasn't a huge fan. I just felt like, I don't know, I felt like something was just off. It didn't look right. I just don't know. But the more I wear it, the more I actually kind of like it. Like tweed, wrap over kind of vibe. Is very Chanel. It's very couture, very elegant, and it is like, it's a nice material. It's like a thick, sturdy material. It's not flimsy at all. Like, they feel well made. Obviously, I know New Year's is like how many months away, but this could be like a little cute feminine New Year's vibe. It's very sparkly. I mean, the 6-year-old like Claire's accessories fanatic is just like screaming inside me right now. It catches the light really nicely. I don't know if it's gonna come off like that because my lights are so bright, but it's cute. I think it is cute. Let me know what you guys think. Is it cute, or is there just something off about it? I don't know. Also, the length of the skirt is really, really nice. Usually with Asian sizing, the skirts are freaking tiny and I can never wear them, but this actually comes to a nice length. Like, it comes down to about here. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. I don't know. Moving on to jumpers. This is jumper number 1. I'm just gonna tuck it in because I would personally probably wear it tucked in. This is actually okay. Like, this is actually a really nice jumper. Obviously the colors are very autumnal. It's a nice jumper. Like, I literally have no complaints. It's not overly thick, but it's not like thin and cheap. It's just, I don't know, average jumper. Not size, thickness. I actually really like the color combination against the jeans as well. I would probably tuck it all the way around. This one was £13, so like, what is that, like $14, $15? Which I think is pretty good for a jumper. Like, most of the jumpers I buy are a lot thicker, so they're more expensive. Recently, the jumpers that I've bought so far have been in like the 30-40 region, so this is actually so inexpensive. It's a joke how inexpensive it's actually. And it's well made. Like, it looks good. I think it looks good. It looks good. I like it. So I actually found another little jacket hiding at the one with my box, which is cute. Obviously, straight off the bat, this is so thin. Like, I think you can just hear it. This is like paper thin, and I'm not even joking with you guys. Like, look, it's so thin. It's meant to be denim, and it's literally like so thin. I'm actually going to see first, before I keep this, I'm going to see if there's something similar on Topshop, because I feel like this is a Topshop kind of vibe, you know, like with the contrasting stitch and the frayed hem and stuff. I feel there's like fluff everywhere. I feel like I could probably find this on Topshop that is actual like denim, but I like this. This makes me feel like, I don't know, a fashion person. I just feel trendy. Maybe with some gold earrings. I'll do like a little gold watch. Cute. Okay, so that is everything I picked up from Shein. I did just put my jacket back on because I love her. I really hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you did, then remember to let me know what was your favorite down below. Give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel and you don't know what's going on this week, I'm basically going to be posting a new video every single day up until Friday. There's going to be a different clothing haul, a different brand. So if you do want to watch that, make sure you have my notifications on and you're subscribed. Anything I keep from all the hauls this week, I will be styling them over on my Instagram. So if you want some style inspiration, if you're thinking of getting some of this stuff and you want to see how to wear it, then that will be on my Instagram. That's it for today's video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you tomorrow.